Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can block comments from certain account on Instagram. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application, and the first thing you have to do is clicking on our profile button right here. Then you are going to click on this button on the top right corner of your screen. Then there will be some options for you, and you have to select setting and privacy. Then on the setting and privacy, you have to scroll your screen until you find a comments option. So this is the comments option or comments setting. Tap on it, then click on block comments from, and then just search for the account that you want to block the comment right here. And then, for example, I'm going to block comments from this account. Wait. Okay, and you just need to click on block right here. Alright, and now the comments from this account has been blocked, and that's how we can block comments from certain account on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.